Hello friends, this is the new very perfect way of changing oil and clearing any sludge could close the mesh filter of the oil pump by putting some rubber hose. I will show it to you later, and pouring some kerosene in the fin to backwash the sludge and any impurities in the oil pan of the car. By this way you can assure that any residual old oil will not left in the car or in the oil pump. Of course, after pouring some kerosene here, you can put some ordinary oil to clear the residuals of the kerosene. So when you close the oil drain of the pan, there will be nothing left from the kerosene and mixed with the clear good oil you use it. This diagram is written in Arabic and English, so anyone can look to it and understand the whole procedure. Come with me. Let me show you the rubber hose. This rubber hose is modified so it can go to the threads of the oil pump. See? Now it is down into the thread of the oil pump, and using some, for example, about a liter of kerosene, try to capture the hose. Now when you are putting some kerosene, this will go back flush. You can hear the sound of now the kerosene is clearing all impurities in the oil filter that will remain with ordinary oil change. Before you remove it, you can put ordinary oil, so the ordinary oil will also clear any amount of left up kerosene in the oil pan. This oil will slowly go down you can watch. Now the color is about to be yellow. That means the kerosene is going away, and the oil is replacing it. After you wait for some 5 minutes that everything is went down, you can close the oil pan screw and pour a new oil by this funnel. And also I want you to remember that when you change your oil filter, you have to fill it, so as soon as the engine starts, it will take no long time to complete. This is very essential for the filter. It won't be very see? Let it go away. Now I can put the new filter in its place. Try to tighten it a little bit so there will be no oil leak when the engine starts. That's okay. All what is left. All what is left now is to close the oil pan and put the new oil here to the level that is recommended by the manufacturers. See you in new films or videos, dear friends, with the compliments of Abu Ibrahim. Bye.